What is Handfeel, actually? Have you ever found yourself walking through a clothing store and touching every decorated t-shirt or hoodie in reach? Every touch, you're gathering information. Is it soft and inviting, crisp and structured, or perhaps a little less pleasant, stiff, scratchy, or even rubbery? Is it screen print or DTG, sublimation or DTF? This immediate tactile impression is what we call handfeel, and it's arguably one of the most critical and subjective aspects of garment decoration. Handfeel isn't just about softness. It's a complex sensory experience of texture and drape, weight and breathability, and how the garment moves with the body. It shapes our perception of quality, comfort, and even the value of a piece of apparel. For decorators, understanding and mastering handfeel is the key to creating products that don't just look good, but feel incredible, prompting that irresistible desire to buy and wear them again and again. Here are some factors that contribute to handfeel. This is the most immediate and often most desired quality. Does it feel supple and inviting like your favorite worn-in t-shirt, or does it feel stiff, rigid, or crinkly as if a sheet of paper was attached to your fabric? This refers to the surface texture of the decorated area. When your hand glides over it, does it feel consistent, sleek, and free from noticeable bumps, grit, or ridges? Does it feel rough or textured? A smooth handfeel ensures the garment is soft against the skin, preventing possible irritation. This describes how much the decoration adds to the garment's overall mass and profile. Does the print feel thin and lightweight, almost like it's a part of the fabric itself? Or does it feel heavy and cumbersome, like a thick rubbery layer sitting on top? This refers to how the fabric with the decoration applied flows and hangs naturally on the body or when suspended. A garment with good drape will fall elegantly, conforming to contours without stiffness or awkward rigidity. Decorations that are too heavy will hinder the natural flow and drape of the fabric. If the base fabric has stretch, like athletic wear, lightweight tees, or leggings, does the decoration allow for that natural stretch and bounce back? Some garment decorating technologies are superior for certain aspects of handfeel. And in some cases, a designer is looking for a specific texture or weight to the design. Sublimation as a technology is going to be indistinguishable from the fabric, as it literally dyes the fibers. However, sublimation is limited in fabric types that can be used. Specialty heat transfer vinyls like puff are designed to be thick and heavy on the garment, and some people like the textured feel of screen print, whereas others like the smoother texture of DTF. All this to say that handfeel is quite subjective, depending on the preference of the end user. When it comes to DTF, the most common complaint is its softness, or lack thereof, and a plasticky or stiff feel. In this series of videos, I'm going to cover a concept I call the hierarchy of softness. It's the idea that many factors play a role in how soft a DTF transfer is. Many DTF producers are actively trying to achieve the softest handfeel, and are oftentimes chasing things that have only a small effect on softness or are expensive to test. In those pursuits, they're also missing inexpensive and easy opportunities to make better DTF transfers. In each video of this series, I'll cover in depth a different tier of this hierarchy of softness. But I won't make you wait to find out what they are. The biggest effect on softness is the graphic. Number 2 is the white underbase. Number 3 is adhesive powder. Number 4 is the second press material. Number 5 is the film, and last but not least, the ink. If you're watching this close to release day, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this series. And if you're catching this later, I've got a full playlist right here with every video in the Hierarchy of Softness series. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.